Hello, beautiful people. Why are you laughing?
Because I'm just sitting here smiling and you're like,
hello, beautiful people. I'm here with 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 𝙔𝙤𝙪 𝙁𝙤𝙧 at the UN, attending one of the very important meetings because we do very important things in life that concern very important issues. Can you explain to my people what we're doing here?
something very important.
About very important issues
in a very important discussing. Yes. This is a very important time that we live in as women, and we'd like
this
to continue.
Meeting is attended by very important people, and we're only going to be discussing very important issues, and we're gonna come out with very important solutions. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
That's it. I said I get it. You cannot stand in these places because there's a good team. And thank you very much, everyone who knows what 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 stands for. We stand for eradication of violence against women and children, as it is our core objectives for 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠.
We can share very similar experiences, and I think that is why I have to say that you and women in Thenjiwe Unplugged were in the Caribbean, the support.
I'd like us firstly to focus on ensuring that the voices of the women are heard. I would also want us to take active steps to be in active solidarity by going to where the women are. Last year we traveled with the DSG, with Mrs. Diop and other colleagues in the UN and the AU to actually visit some of the women in countries that are affected by conflict. It doesn't have to be us doing this, all of you actually.
You see, when I told you we are doing important things with important people, 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 is here. 𝙏𝙝𝙖𝙣𝙠 tell them how important we are and how we are doing such important things and changing important issues.
Hi guys. I hope all young people can be part of this, this CSW next year. Come and learn. It's a great space to learn and interact with other African young women, and also just to see what other people are doing in their countries and, solving issues around the continent regarding women and children. So please, check CSW United Nations for next year and just get in touch, get in with organizations and be involved. It will be a life-changing experience for you guys. I'm having fun, and I finally get to see Thenjiwe, and I know she's gonna entertain us.
Thank you.
Young people, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
We have just finished the youth CSW meeting.
My goodness, I wish I was this empowered, this motivated when I was much younger. I'm still young, I'm just saying, when I was younger.
Younger than other people.
Younger. Yeah, I'm young now.
Just not legally young. You're only young because you are younger than other people.
I'm young.
Okay, you are young. You are young. Yeah, but it was very empowering. I think that was the best meeting.
I must say so myself. I really enjoyed this only because I feel it kind of helps propel us to be better for the generation that's to come as well.
Yeah. And the hot seats.
Yes, the hot seat was good. They actually really put them on the hot seat.
Yes.
Asked them relevant questions, especially to the things that they had said they would do or accomplish, and what they plan to do in the future. So.
And I am hoping to see more and more women leaders and more women doing jobs that are previously seen as jobs for men.
Yes.
So it is nice to see more. I think the youth is well ahead of us.
Oh, they sure
And the
are.
internet is also helping.
Oh yes, social media has been a huge aspect.
Just make sure you use your social media in a positive manner.
Yes.
Use it to empower, not to destroy.
I mean, pan out, look at all these young people in here.
It's young people from all over the world. of them not so young, but indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. They were once young. They didn't say people who are young now, they said young people. So it could be people who were young 20 years ago.
You're always young at heart, right?
Yeah. Same goes for short men, you're always tall at heart. Yay, Botswana and Canada. I'm sorry, but you can't have a position at SAY unless you have at least 2 citizenships. You have to have dual citizenship. How many do you have? 2. Okay, you qualify. So this one is Lesotho, one of the countries where SAY has a foundation. On our way back home, it is freezing in New York. It is freezing. And that driver is confusing us because he's driving on the wrong side. Why don't you drive on the right side like the rest of the world?
He doesn't know.
New York is cold?
It's too cold.
Too cold?
Yeah, it's very, very cold.
Where are you from, Wes? From Africa?
Yes.
Oh wow. Oh, yeah.
From South Africa. It's very cold here. We need to get blankets with ice. Oh yeah. You know the kind of blanket that keeps you warm the whole night? The blanket that can talk to you, that you can send to make you coffee in the middle of the night. That's the kind of blankets we need.